Okay, so it's 11 a.m., just after 11. Still storming. It's been storming all evening, last night, all through the morning. Barbecue's pushed as far as it'll go. It's hooked up to a gas line. There's our new furniture that we just started assembling the other day. I don't know if you can see, but the swing set is half buried. The slide's almost completely buried. Let's go see what we can see out the front door. Well, that's the front window. I don't think we're going to get much out of that. Try the front door. Holy crap. Well, that was a bad idea. Oh my God. Not cool. Not cool, hey Xander.